Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making a delicious and easy cake that's perfect for any occasion. So, let's dive right in. First, grab 4 large eggs and crack them into a mixing bowl. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Whisk them together until they're well combined and slightly frothy. While you're doing that, I'd love to know where you're watching from today. Drop a comment below and let's connect. Next, gradually add 200 grams of sugar to the eggs. Continue mixing until the sugar is fully dissolved and the mixture is light and fluffy. Now, pour in 120 milliliters of vegetable oil and 120 milliliters of yogurt. The oil will make the cake moist, and the yogurt adds a nice tangy flavor. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. It's time to start incorporating the dry ingredients. Gradually sift in 300 grams of flour and gently fold it into the wet ingredients. This will help prevent lumps and ensure a smooth batter. Then add 8 grams of baking powder. This will give your cake a lovely rise and fluffy texture. Mix until everything is just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the cake dense. Now let's prepare our baking pan. I'm using a 24 centimeter diameter round pan, but you can use whatever you have on hand. Grease the pan with a generous amount of butter to prevent sticking. You can also line it with parchment paper for extra insurance. For the filling, take 300 grams of cottage cheese or cream cheese. Either works beautifully. Mix it with 40 grams of powdered sugar and 1 egg until you get a smooth and creamy consistency. This filling will add a delightful richness to your cake. Pour the creamy mixture into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. And of course, I'd love to hear from you. Where are you watching us from? Let's chat in the comments. Bake the cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. The cake is done when it's golden brown on top and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once the cake is out of the oven and has cooled slightly, dust it with a bit of powdered sugar for a sweet finishing touch. Thank you once again for watching, liking, subscribing, and commenting. Enjoy your homemade cake and have a wonderful day.